Carp is a popular freshwater fish that is enjoyed in many different cultures around the world. It's a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be prepared in a variety of delicious ways. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the nutritional benefits of carp, as well as some popular ways to cook and enjoy this tasty fish. Nutritional benefits of carp. Carp is a rich source of protein, with around 22 grams of protein per 100 grams of fish. It's also high in vitamins B12 and D, as well as minerals such as phosphorus and selenium. Additionally, carp is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and heart health. Calories in carp. The number of calories in carp can vary depending on the cooking method and any added ingredients. In general, a 3-ounce, 85-gram serving of cooked carp contains around 120 to 130 calories. However, if you fry or bread the fish, the calorie count can increase significantly. Popular ways to cook carp. Baked carp. Baking is a healthy and easy way to cook carp. Simply place the fish in a baking dish and season with herbs, spices, and a bit of olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Fried carp. Fried carp is a popular dish in many cultures, but it's important to note that frying can add a significant amount of calories and fat. To make fried carp, coat the fish in flour or breadcrumbs and fry in a pan with oil until golden brown and crispy. Carp soup. Carp is a great ingredient for soup, as it adds a rich and savory flavor. To make carp soup, simmer the fish with vegetables, herbs, and spices in a pot of water or broth for about an hour, or until the fish is cooked through and tender. Carp salad. Carp is also a great addition to salads, as it adds protein and flavor. To make a carp salad, grill or bake the fish and then toss it with fresh greens, vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. Overall, carp is a versatile and healthy ingredient that can be prepared in many delicious ways. Whether you prefer baked, fried, or souped-up carp, this fish is a great addition to any meal. So next time you're at the fish market, consider picking up some fresh carp and trying out a new recipe. Fried carp is a popular way to prepare this fish in many cultures. However, it's important to note that frying can add a significant amount of calories and fat to the dish. To make fried carp, start by cleaning and filleting the fish. Then, season the fish with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs or spices. Coat the fish with flour